Welcome to a short but incredibly important lesson. Today we are not going to learn a new feature that makes our code run, but rather a feature that helps us humans understand our code better. We are going to talk about comments. Python, like all other programming languages, provides a way for you to write your own notes directly inside your code. These notes are called comments. How do they work? A comment is any line in your code that starts with a hash symbol. The most important thing to know is this. When your program runs, the Python interpreter completely ignores any line starts with a hash. The PVM is designed to respect your notes. It understands that these lines are special messages for you and other programmers, not commands for the computer. Remember how we said that Python executes code line by line? When the PVM is reading your file from top to bottom and it encounters a comment, it simply skips over that line and moves to the next one, completely ignoring it. Let's see this in practice. I will create a new file called comments.py. Here, we are creating a variable to store a user's age. User underscore age equal to 30. Print user underscore age. This entire line is a comment. Python will ignore it. The PVM will skip this line completely. Temperature equal to 25. This represents the temperature in Celsius. The comment can also come after the code on the same line. Python will execute the code and then ignore everything after the hash symbol. Let's run this file. Let's try to comment out a line of code to temporarily disable it. For example, this line, print temperature. Let's check the result. So why are comments so important? First, to explain your code. 6 months from now, you might not remember why you wrote a complex piece of code. A good comment can explain your logic. Second, to collaborate. If you work on a team, comments help your colleagues understand your code quickly. Third, to debug. As we just saw, you can temporarily comment out lines of code to disable them while you are trying to find a bug. This is a very common and useful technique. A good programmer doesn't just write code that a computer can understand. They write code that humans can understand. Using comments is one of the most important skills to achieve that goal.